Hello, Reagan here. So, this is day I have no idea of Vlogtober. These are some wooden tags I got from Michael's, and these are some designs that I went on Cricut and did the thing. Put on some black vinyl that I had lying around, and I just went in and painted all of these little tags with some acrylic paint, and I painted both sides, and I put designs on both sides of these because I'm hanging them on my tree and I want them to be able to swing around or whatever. The excess ones that don't fit on my tree, I'm going to be adding to the stuff that I'm donating to the Las Vegas Humane Society for their craft and bake sale. My apologies for this video being so late. My plan was to vlog every single day in October, but you know how plans go, and especially for me, I'm all over the place, but I try to get back on track usually pretty quick. So yeah, we had quite a bit going on, and I was just having a hard time getting around to getting this edited. Everything from union rallies to eclipses and everything in between, and my cat getting stuck in a paper bag and the handle of a paper bag and causing complete chaos. I mean, it's been a busy week, so a little bit much. But yeah, so here's the designs, some of the ones that I picked, and I don't even know like what brand. It was just some off-brand big roll of permanent vinyl that I found, and like I said, use this as my Cricut. You could also, paint something on these, of course, or cut things out, or even print things out or use stickers. I just use this vinyl because it was something that I had on hand and wanted to kind of use it up. I'm trying to destash as much as I can because I've got so many I've got so much stuff as far as craft supplies go, so I'm trying to get through that as much as I possibly can. This little ghost was giving me fits. It didn't want to come off of the paper. It saved my life, but once it did, it was good. But I mean, considering like the paint's really cheap, and like I said, you could use just about anything to put on these, and the big pack of tags is really cheap at Michael's. This is a perfect way to make a big batch of cute little decorations, and these could also be used for any other season too. You can make Christmas present tags, that could also be used to hang on the tree, that type of thing. They're really versatile. I really like these. I really like the idea of these because they have so many options. There's so many things that you can use them for. So I found some of the cutest little ghosts when I was looking for designs too. Like, I was having just a blast going through all the choices, and then I resized everything down so it would fit. These are roughly 3 inches by 2 inches, but like the design space or whatever, but I had to take everything down to like 2 inches for the most part so that it actually fit. And then I took some rub and buff, and I don't usually use my finger for this because this stuff is a little strong. I usually wear a glove, but and I would suggest wearing a glove when you do this because this stuff like stains your hands forever and it doesn't smell the best. I usually try to use a pretty well ventilated area when I use basically anything besides regular acrylic paint, or like if I'm even then like I'm airbrushing it, I do with that too. But yeah, try to keep things well ventilated and use gloves when you can, or a brush. I just got lazy and then paid the price because my fingertips were metallic for quite some time. It was quite irritating. But this stuff has some pretty strong chemicals in it. the little mat that I have it on right there, part of it like swole up like it was breaking. It's like a silicone mat, swole up like it was breaking down from the chemicals in the rub and buff. So probably not the best idea to have this stuff on bare skin. Oh. I know that now. I mean, I've used rub and buff. Like I said, I usually use these gloves, but I just did this quick. I was just looking for something simple so that I could finish decorating my Halloween tree, and before Halloween's over. And I've had so many other things going on, so I just had to kind of put something together really quick. And this was ideal. Like I said, volume, price, ease of getting it done, and so that's what I did. I want to make some more of these for Christmas, for my Christmas tree, and to put on presents. And doing this, even though I kept it pretty basic, it gave me a lot of thoughts and ideas for other things to do, like putting some ribbon and lace on these, like gluing it around the edges or something like that. Maybe layering some other little wood cutouts that I have lying around on top. I have sticker books. I have a sticker book that a book of stickers for like journaling and stuff and scrapbooking that someone just sent me recently as a birthday present. So I was thinking that would also be really great to use some of the stickers for these. I think it would look really good. And then to do more like mixed media and put different pieces of I have a lot of like jewelry findings and stuff like that, and bits and bobs and pieces here and there. I'm really looking to make these into a lot more than just this, but I also like simplicity as well. So this was perfect because, like I said, it didn't take much effort to make them really, really cute. And there is the finished product. And they're just perfect. Exactly what I needed. And I'll show them on my tree once I finally get around to getting it decorated. So thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye.